In the market you can find the different color modifications. I prefer this one because the white side is opposite the yellow side and it's very similar to Rubik's Cube 3x3. You can notice the same combination of colors. The white is opposite the yellow and there is blue, orange, green and red. Let's compare the Twisty cube with a Rubik's cube. They both have the same white layer. Also, they both have the same yellow side. Let's take a look at the side layers. They look pretty similar to each other. They both have 3 horizontal layers, the top one, middle one, bottom. They have 3 vertical layers, right, middle, left. It means these puzzles inside are exactly the same. Twisty cube just has a twisted outside shape. And we will apply all the same algorithms that we used for solving Rubik's Cube 3x3.
What?
Of course, the Twisty cube has particular details in the solving because of its shape. Let's take a look at the pieces of the puzzles. This is a center. It has 2 colors. It's a corner, 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 corner. The top and the bottom edge have 2 colors and look like the edges of a Rubik's cube. But the edges of the middle layer look different. They have a specific shape and only 1 color. Here you can see the centers of the side layers. At this step we solve the white cross and the centers of the middle layer. Hold the cube, white on top and yellow on the bottom. First, I'm going to solve the green centers of the middle layer. Rotate the cube and find 2 green centers. The green center is over here and over here. Let's take a look at the solved cube. The green one is in front of you and on the right. There is, you can notice a screw line from top left to the bottom right in the solved cube. It means we should solve the same line direction for our cube. Look at this green part. The green part is on top. We also should have green one on top. Look at this center. The green is over here. It means we should have green over here on the bottom. Okay, let's rotate and solve our green centers. Turn the front side. Now we have a correct slope and we have the green on top. Now I'm gonna solve this center. Turn front side. Now we have a correct slope and their green pieces are close to each other. Now these 2 centers have the correct slope. These green centers of the middle layer are ready for solving the white edges on the top layer. We need to solve the white edge for this center. Here we have the white center and over here we have the green one. It means the white-green edge should be here. Let's find the green-white edge. There it is. It's located at the bottom. I rotate 2 top layers together and put my edge at the green center. This edge I'm gonna put here. First, we should put it to the right. Then, rotate front side clockwise 2 times. I'm gonna solve the necessary combination at the bottom layer. Now, I should get back our green edge and solve it with our green center. Then, this combination we send to the top. Turn front side clockwise 2 times. 1, 2. Now you can see the white-green edge is solved and located between white and green centers. Now we should solve the edge for our next green-red center. There is a white center and red is over here. It means we should solve the white-red edge at this spot. Let's find the white-red edge. Here it is. First, I send it to the bottom. Then, I send it to the side where we should solve it. I'm gonna put this white-red edge over here on top. But we need to send it to the right at first. My edge is over here. Now I should rotate my green-red center and solve the necessary combination on the middle layer. Let's rotate front side clockwise one time. Now our red center is ready for solving. Put our red edge to the middle layer and solve our combination. Now the red edge and the red center all together, and they both are ready to send to the top. Let's get put it to the top. Now our white-red edge is solved and located between white and red centers. Now we should solve the red-blue center and the edge for it. Look at this center and its slope. We should apply the same slope for our red-blue center, but it's not enough. Here it is a blue part of the center. The red one should be here, because the center of the left side is red. Now this red-blue center has a correct slope, and its red part is located close to the red one on the left side. Now this center is ready for solving the white-blue edge. Let's find the white-blue edge. Here it is. It's a good position for the next step. The necessary combination we should solve at the middle layer on the right. Turn front side clockwise one time. Now our blue center we can match with our white-blue edge. Flip the right side. Now we get our pair of the blue center and blue-white edge. Now we send it to the top layer. Now white-blue edge is solved and located between white and blue centers. We should solve the last center and the edge. Here you can see the right slope, but the color's location is not correct. The blue part should be on the bottom. Let's fix it. Now the slope is correct, and these blue centers of the middle layer are located in front of each other. I'm gonna put the white-orange edge between this white and orange center. Please, find the white-orange edge. Here it is on the bottom. Rotate two top layers together and put the white-orange edge close to the orange center. This white-orange edge we will put here. Send it to the right. Our pair we will solve on the middle layer right. Rotate our centerpiece and solve our pair here. Now it's done, and we should put it on the top. Turn the front side counterclockwise. We have solved our white-orange edge. Please pay attention. If we broke something, we should fix it. We are done with that. Now our white-orange edge is located between white and orange centers. We have a white cross. At this step we will solve the white corners. If you saw our lesson how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3x3, we solve the white corners at this step as well. We will apply the same approach and algorithms for solving the white corners of the TWISTY cube. If you don't know algorithms, don't worry, all schemes you can find on our website CubeArea.FUN. For now, we have to open the scheme step 3, placing white corners. At this step, the white cross always should be facing down and the yellow center is on the top. Let's find any white corner on the top. For example, this white, blue, red corner. First, we should put it between the blue and red edges. Rotate two bottom layers together and put this red-blue corner between the blue and red edges. Hold the cube, the white piece of the corner is on the top right. If we have the white on top, we should apply the right-hand algorithm 3 times. If you didn't see our lessons how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3x3 and you know nothing about the right-hand and left-hand algorithm, you can find more details in the video lesson step 3. Our corner we will put from the top to the bottom. We should apply the right-hand algorithm 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This white, blue, red corner is solved and located between the blue and red edges. Let's find the next white corner on the top. This white, orange, green corner we will solve next. First, we should put it between the orange and green edges. Rotate two bottom layers together. Now the corner is located between the orange and green edges. From this spot, we will put it on the bottom layer. Hold the cube as shown, the white part of the corner in front of you. The corner is on the left, so we should apply the left-hand algorithm. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. The white, green, orange corner is solved and located between the green and orange edges and the white center as well. We are done with this corner. We should find the next white corner on the top. This green-red corner is next. Rotate two layers and put this corner between the green and red edges. The green edge, red edge, and this corner we will place to this spot. We should hold the cube, the white part is in front of you. We will apply the right-hand algorithm because we have white is on the top right. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. This white, green, red corner is solved and located between the green and red edges. Let's find the next white corner on the top. Now we have no white corner on top. It means the white corner somewhere on the bottom. Here it is. First, we send it to the top. We apply the right-hand algorithm 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this orange-blue corner we will send to the bottom spot. By the way, it's already between the orange and blue edges. The white part is on top. We will apply the right-hand algorithm 3 times. Hold the cube. This corner is on the top right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This corner is ready. And you can see we already solved the first layer. All centers of the middle layer are located in the right spots and have the correct shape and colors. At this step, we will solve the edges of the middle layer. Let's explore what they look like. These edges have only one color. The edges of Rubik's Cube 3x3 have two colors. These edges are not similar. They have a particular shape and only one color. But we also will apply algorithms that we used for solving Rubik's Cube edges. Let's open the scheme, step 4. At this step, we hold the cube yellow on top and white on the bottom. The necessary edges we find on the top layer. Let's solve this green edge. First, we send it to the green side. Rotate to bottom layers and find the green center. Here it is. This green edge should be here because the green side is on the right. Let's figure out with situation number 1. We see the edge with the same shape at this spot. In this case, we apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right. Placing the edge to the right always starts from the right-hand algorithm. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have solved our green edge and sent the red one to the top. Let's find the next edge. Let's solve this blue edge. First, we send it in the blue side. Rotate to bottom layers and find the blue center. Now, I'll show you situation number 2. This blue edge we should solve to the right because the blue side is on the right, but at this spot we see the edge from the top layer. If here you have the edge from the top and in front of you located the part of the top layer, it's yellow in our case. For this blue edge, we will apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see what we got. The blue edge is on the right spot, and the blue-yellow edge we sent to the top layer. You can notice the yellow part of the edge is located on the top layer. It makes sense because we have already started to solve a yellow cross on top. By the way, the yellow cross we will solve in the next step, step 5. For now, we should solve the next edge. Let's solve this orange edge. Now I'm gonna find the orange center and rotate to bottom layers. Now the orange edge is close to the orange center. This orange edge we should send to the right because the orange side is on the right. Now I will show you situation number 3. There is an edge from the top layer, but there is no yellow. In this situation, we should use a different approach. I turn the cube and look at this yellow edge. It's on the left now. Rotate the top to the right. We should solve our edge from this position. We will apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. The orange edge is on the right spot and the yellow edge is located on the yellow side and its yellow part is on top. The last red edge left. I send it to the red side. This red edge we need to place here because there is the red side. Let's figure out the situation. Here is the edge from the top layer. Placing the red edge we have to do from this position. The yellow edge in front of you is on the left. We should put our red edge here and apply the algorithm, placing edge to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have solved our red edge and already completed 2 layers. At this step, we solve the yellow cross. I hope you remember the algorithms from step 5 when we solve the yellow cross in the Rubik's Cube 3x3, because we will apply the same algorithms. Let's open the scheme step 5. We can have one of these stages. If we have the yellow dot, we apply the algorithm and get the yellow edge. Apply the algorithm one more time and get the yellow line. Apply the algorithm one more time and get the yellow cross. More details you can get in our video lesson how to solve a yellow cross in a Rubik's Cube 3x3. In my case, I have the yellow line. I am at this stage. It means I apply the algorithm and get the yellow cross. Take the cube as shown. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have a yellow cross. Pretty often you will face the issue. After the yellow line, you apply the algorithm, but don't get a yellow cross. Take the cube as shown. The yellow line is here, and this edge looks at you, his yellow side. Now we will apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right, and send it to the middle layer on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have put this yellow edge at the middle layer. Now we again will send it to the top. How we can do it? Put back our green edge from the top to this spot. Now we should put it in the middle layer. And this yellow edge will be located the yellow side to the top. We should apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube and look at the white corner. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have fixed our problem and we have the yellow cross on the top layer. At this step, we need to solve the yellow edges. For example, this yellow-blue edge is correct because it's between the yellow and blue centers. There should be a yellow-orange edge in this spot. Here should be yellow-green, and here yellow-red. If the cube has only one correct yellow edge, you need to do the algorithm and you will get 2 correct yellow edges, which will be located next to each other. Then we need to do the algorithm again and get 4 correct yellow edges on the top layer. I'm gonna show you all of these situations in practice. Hold the cube, the correct edge should be here. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 2 correct edges are next to each other. Hold the cube, that one correct edge is on the right, and the second correct edge should be here. Now we need to do the algorithm one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, if you rotate your top one more time to the left, this yellow-orange edge is between the yellow and orange centers. This one is between the yellow and blue. This one between yellow and red. And last one between yellow and green. We have solved all yellow edges. Our goal at this step is to get all the yellow corners in the right places. What does it mean, the correct corner? Look at this corner. It has green and orange, and it should be solved between green and orange edges. But it's located between red and blue for now. It's not correct corner. This is blue-orange corner between red and green, and it's not correct for sure. This one is not correct, and this one is not correct too. In our case, we have no correct corner at all. We should choose any corner without yellow on top. This green-orange is fit. First, we should put it between green and orange edges. Now its location is correct because it's between green and orange centers. Hold the cube, this corner should be on the top right, and we should apply the algorithm from step 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we should fix the yellow edges in the correct position. And let's check the corners. I hope we've got at least one correct corner now. This is not correct. This one is not correct as well. This one is not correct. But this one, we've got the first correct corner. It has green and red and is located between green and red centers. Hold the cube. This corner should be on the top right, and apply the algorithm one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check our corners. This one is correct. This is correct and solved. This one correct and solved as well. And this corner is correct. All we need to do in the next step, just rotate them to the yellow side. At this step, we just flip corners on the yellow side on top. Hold the cube, the yellow side should be in front of you. If you have 4 corners that need to be flipped, you can start from any. If 3 corners left, like in my case, we will start to work from this, there is yellow. All we need at this step, just apply the algorithm to each of those corners that need to be flipped. Hold the cube so that this corner is on the top right. Repeat the dislike algorithm until this corner is yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you need to turn the front side clockwise. Now you have another piece that needs to be solved in that spot. Now you need to turn the front side clockwise. Now you have another piece that needs to be solved in that spot. Now we just need to turn the top and our twisty cube is solved.